dry cough issue. Very common these days. Very, very common. What shall we do with it? Very simple recipe. Grate onion. After grating the onion, keep it aside. And just squeeze the juice out of it. Let's say you take out 4 teaspoons of onion juice. Then to 4 teaspoons of the onion juice, you would add 4 teaspoons of raw honey. Okay? And blend it well. And let it remain covered in room temperature for 4 hours. After 4 hours, your cough syrup will be ready. You have to take 1 teaspoon morning, afternoon and evening. 3 times a day you will take this cough syrup, homemade cough syrup, and you will see the magic. You can prepare bigger doses also. You can refrigerate it, because you must rather refrigerate it after 4 hours if you are in a tropical condition wherein the temperature is a little on the higher side. So it might get spoiled, so you should refrigerate it. And just that when you are supposed to take it, 1 hour before that, just let it come back, keep it, then take it out of the refrigerator and keep it in normal room temperature. Let it normalize, let the temperature normalize, and then have it. And see the magic. See the magic of this onion cough syrup. The name of this recipe is onion cough syrup recipe. Do try it. And if you like this video, do share this video with your friends. Do subscribe, do like, and do share. Thank you very much. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay connected with nature.
For any query, reach us at ourhealthmantra@gmail.com. Visit us at www.ourhealthmantra.com for health and product updates.